Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. As you can see, I've got my beauty advent calendar here by Lookfantastic and I am really excited about opening this one. I just love this time of the year, you know, with the cooler weather, fall colors, pumpkin spice scent everywhere, holidays, family get-togethers, and beauty advent calendars. So yeah, I just love this time of the year. So in this video, I'll be opening up this advent calendar. So spoiler alert, if you don't want to see what's in this box, again, thank you for watching and I hope you do come back after you get it and see what's in it. But yes, there will be spoilers. I'll be showing you what's in this box. And I do hope you come back later because it's kind of fun. I just love opening these advent calendars. I know you're supposed to open it one day in the month of December before Christmas, but I just can't wait that long. This is by Lookfantastic and they are a brand that's out of the UK and this costs $99 US. You get 25 products in here and these products are worth $514 US. So I think we're getting a good deal this year. Last year, I think it was $115 and the products in there were about a little over $300. So this year it's less, but you're getting more. So yeah, I'm excited about what's in here. Keep in mind, since this is coming out of the UK, it does take a little bit longer to get here. I believe it took 10 days after it was shipped. So you may need to put that into consideration if you want to give this as a gift. You need to give some time. And it's also free shipping. Well, all right, let's go ahead and see what's in this advent calendar. And as you can see, it's in a blue and gold box with the diamond here that says Lookfantastic. And you open it up. And here are the 25 drawers. And inside it also has the same design as out with Lookfantastic on the inside of the drawers. And I like it that it has drawers because it's easier to pull out instead of those little punching doors thingy. But anywho, here it is right here, 25 drawers. And all right, let's go ahead and start with drawer number 1. And it's down here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, that's a big drawer right there. It comes nicely wrapped in tissue and I see a little card. That's something new. It has number 1 in here and it tells you what's in this box. Here it is right here. And we have a Morphe eyeshadow palette. Let's see what this card says about it. It is the Morphe 9A palette. Create warm, smoky eyes with this neutral eyeshadow palette. With matte and shimmer finishes, these eyeshadows blend effortlessly to create a seamless look. It's got a mirror inside, which is really nice, and these nice shadows are very pretty. You can create a lot of looks with these shadows. But anywho, let's go ahead and open up door number 2. Oh, it's this one right here, a real skinny one. Ooh, and it's kind of long too. All right, we got a little tube. And I like the little inserts that they put in here. It has the number in the back and what's in here. I know I'm kind of cheating, look and see what's in here. All right, you have something here by Living Proof, and it is the Perfect Hair Day, the 5-in-1 styling treatment. I know I'm putting my shoulder up against the door here so it doesn't close on me, but let's read about this product. Add strength and shine to locks with this formula that smooths, volumizes, and conditions. This color-safe formula gives hair bounce. I do like my hair to be bouncy, so this is really nice. A nice little deluxe travel size. Okay, number 3 is down here in the bottom corner. Same size drawer. All right, we got something round and tubular. And it's a product by Claude Lee. It looks like to be a toner. Let's see what it is. It's a clear skin purifying toner. Oh my gosh, I love the essence, the brightening essence. Oh, so this is a really nice addition to my skincare routine. Let's read about this one. Perfect the complexion with this clarifying toner for combination skin. The weightless texture melts into the skin while the blend of salicylic acid, oh, love anything with salicylic acid, you know, for my acne prone skin. Great polyphenoids, organic essential oils draws out impurities from within the pores. All right, this is so far a really nice advent calendar. We move up to number 4 and it's a bigger drawer. Ooh, what's in here? But it's light. Kind of deceiving there a little bit. Oh, we got 2 products in here. It looks to be brushes. Looks to be brushes from Lexi. Let's read what brushes they are. They are the Lexi 121 and 141. Effortlessly apply makeup with these premium soft synthetic brushes. These are a little bit on the smaller size, but this one's kind of soft. This one looks like to be a pencil brush. Okay, here's one for number 5 and it's kind of heavy. Oh, wow. We got a product here by Elemis. It's the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Oh my gosh, my husband loves this, and I like the one that has the SPF of 30. And this looks to be a good size. Let me see. It's 30 mils. Wow. Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and increase moisture levels in the skin. This cream is a revolutionary anti-aging product. All right, I'm excited about this one. In my video that I did that was telling you about the upcoming Advent calendars, I'll link that one down below. I mentioned that I may get the Elemis Advent calendar, but I think I decided I'm not going to get it because for one, it is a little bit on the pricier side, and two, I am getting some products from Elemis that I think I'll be good for the next year. So yeah, I won't be getting the Elemis Advent calendar, but I'm excited I got this product in here, and it's a good size too. Number 6 is up here. Oh, another light one. Can't be another brush, can it? No, it looks like a lip pencil, and it's by Masque. Let's read about it. It is in the shade Raw. Create long-lasting definition with this highly pigmented lip pencil. Okay, this looks to be a good nude liner, and I hope it matches my skin tone. Oh, forgot to put one back in here. Okay, so that was number 6. Now for number 7. Oh, we got a product here from Rituals, and it's the dry oil, the Rituals of Ayurveda. And my husband loves this product. He uses it after he gets out of the shower to put it on his body to give it some added moisture. So he has one to travel with. Restore inner harmony with this deeply nourishing hair and body oil that hydrates from head to toe. Infused with Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Revitalized with this pampering dry oil. I'm really enjoying this Advent calendar so far. And in box number 8, you have something from Philip Kingsley. It's the Elasticizer, and I really do like this one for my hair. A super moisturizing and highly concentrated formula, this Cult hair mask smooths each individually hair strand to incredible silkiness. And yes, it really does make your hair feel very soft. I use this one about once every 2 weeks or so, and whenever I use it, I really do feel the softness in my hair. That's number 8. Number 9 is right here. All right, for number 9, you have a cleansing gel from Oskia. This product does show up in other Advent calendars and subscription boxes, so yeah, this is, I guess, a staple in them. But let's read what it says about it again. Purify skin with this non-foaming cleanser that restores radiance and leaves skin soft and supple. Infused with a blend of bioavailable vitamins and fruit enzymes, this gel to oil formula gently lifts makeup and impurities. All right, number 10, we're getting into a big box now. Oh, we got something here from First Aid Beauty. Oh, it's the Radiance Pads. Love these pads. How many do you get in here? You get 28 pads infused with lactic and glycolic acid. These radiant pads improving clarity and revealing a natural radiance. All right, score. I should say that this year's Advent calendar is really nice so far from the ones that I've opened up. Number 11. Okay, we have something from Avant Skincare, and this is a pricey brand. What is it that we get? We have the Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment. 50 mils of product, 1.7 fluid ounce. Wake to youthful skin with this overnight treatment. With an antioxidant-rich formula, this treatment gives the complexion a new lease of life. All right, it has something here. It has shea butter, sweet almond, moringa, and rice. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this one. And in drawer number 12, you have something here from Pray, P-R-A-I. And this is the Throat and Décolleté Cream. Not a big jar here. Let's see how much product you get. You get half an ounce of product in here. Reveal youthful looking skin with this lightweight formula designed for mature skin. Hey, that's for me. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, this cream moisturizes, firms, and leaves the throat and décolleté youthful and glowing. Okay, I'm down for that. Lucky number 13. Another staple that you get in these Advent calendars and beauty boxes, an eye pencil. And this one is by Lord & Berry. Achieve the perfect smolder with this deeply pigmented eyeliner pencil. And it's in the shade Travel Black. 14 is up here in the corner. Okay, you have a box here, and it's by Mellow Cosmetics. It's a matte liquid lip paint. And the shade is Tehran. Let's see what it looks like. All right, that's a pretty nude color, and I bet it matches with the lip liner that was also in this box. Saturate lips in color with this ultra smooth liquid lip paint that delivers a velvet matte finish. And here's number 15. It's another light box. And we have a mask, it looks like. A lip mask by Rodial. The Dragon Blood Lip Mask. Pamper your lips with this biocellulose mask that delivers intense hydration and hyaluronic acid for smooth, soft lips. 16 is this large box right here. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh yes, Molten Brown. Always love a good Molten Brown shower gel, and this one, oh, I can already tell this is in the fiery pink pepper. Yes, fiery pink pepper. I know my Molten Brown shower gels. And it's 100 mils of product in here. So yeah, I'm real happy about this one. Okay, I can't find the card for the shower gel. Did I drop it somewhere? All right, I looked everywhere for that little card. I cannot find it for the Molten Brown. And I don't even know, did it have one in here and I didn't notice it? Or maybe it flew and just slid underneath something, but yeah, I can't find it. But we already know what it is. It's the Molten Brown shower gel. All right, number 17. Yeah, it has a card in here. I'm gonna make sure now. Can't believe I can't find that card for the Molten Brown. But anyway, oh, you have something here by Emma Hardy. And it's a vitamin C cream formulated with a blend of vitamin B3 and vitamin C. This brightening serum gives skin a youthful luminosity. All right, let's see here. You get 20 mils of product in this one. And in drawer number 18, you have something very colorful here. It is by Neil's Yard Remedies. Never heard of that brand. It's a wild rose hand cream. Okay, let's see what it says about it in this card. Powered by a blend of wild rose hip, geranium, and patchouli oils, this hand lotion delivers intense hydration and infuses skin with an uplifting scent. Oh, that does smell very good. And you know, I'm not a big fan of rose scent, but there are some that I could handle. There are others that just kind of smells a little too perfumey, but this one doesn't. This one smells good. All right, 19. All right, I have two cards in here for drawer number 19. One of them says 23, so I'm going to keep that on the side. And the other one is for 19, and let's see what's in here. It's something small, and it's the Bio Effect EGF Serum. I did get this one in the Lookfantastic Beauty Box, and this is really nice. It's also very pricey. I believe it was like 25 British pounds for this little bottle. Yeah, it does say what's in here, but I really can't see it. It's too small. Give a skin a new lease of life with this groundbreaking serum. Using plant-based replica of EGF, this serum reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, this product does contain growth factors that I've heard is really good for the skin, and I just recently finished the one I got in the Lookfantastic that was in a couple months ago. So it's really good that I got another one because this is a little bit on the pricey side. Number 20. All right, another brand that comes in these advent calendars and beauty boxes. It's by Aiko, and it's their mascara. Yeah, and it comes in this little tube right here. Discover a lash transformation with this nourishing and volumizing formula. Housed in a zero-waste tube, promising no smudging, crumbling, or flaking. Okay, so maybe that's why they always have it in a tube. And here is 21, and it looks to be from a brand called Delilah. It's an eyebrow groomer. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's an eyebrow pencil, I guess you could say. And the shade is Sable, so I could already tell you it's not going to match my brows, but let's read what it says in the card. With a fine pencil tip, create natural hair-like strokes to fill sparse gaps and enhance depth. Oh, okay, that's good, but I don't think the color is going to match me, so oh well. All right, 22 is in the bottom corner here. Oh, that's neat. You have cute little bath bombs. And they're kind of mini bath bombs. It looks like you get 3 of them in here. It's the Bubble Tea Limited Edition Bath Bomb. Enjoy a luxurious bath in the uplifting scent of this Lookfantastic Limited Edition Bath Bomb. All right, we're at number 23, and I already had the card that was in, I believe, number 19 or something like that. But here it is right here. And there's no card in here, which is good, because I already got it. And it's something from Filorga. It is the Mezzo Mask Smoothing Radiance Mask. In how many ounces? You get 50 mils of product. And let's read what it says in the card that I already saw. Improve the appearance of skin with this anti-wrinkle lightening face mask that enhances skin's natural radiance. All right, that's a really nice mask. You know, I love masking, and I can already see that the amount of product you get is about half of the tube. All right, number 24, and we're almost done. All right, here it is right here. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, and you get a highlighting palette from Sleek. Add strobe-like radiance to face and body with this award-winning highlighting palette. Containing 2 baked powders, 1 silky shimmer powder, and 1 cream highlighter. Create a shimmering metallic finish with these easy-to-blend formulas. Okay. And this palette name is called Solstice 032. Alright, we're down to the last day, number 25, and it is the golden drawer right here. Like the golden ticket with the Willy Wonka. Oops, ooh, this one's really stuffed in here. And no card in here. Okay. Oh, the card is here. It fell out. Okay, good. Alright, you have a real pretty bottle. It's by Amora Visca and another product that's a staple in these advent calendars and beauty boxes. And it's the Queen of Hungary Mist. So it's a misting spray for your face. And I really do like this. Again, you do get a lot of these in these advent calendars and beauty boxes, but you know, I like it, I use it, so I'm not complaining. And the card for number 25 has got a little bit more embellishment on it, but let's go ahead and read what it says for the mist. It's the limited edition one. Rejuvenate the complexion with this weightless mist, infused with a nourishing blend of rose, sage, and orange blossom waters. Alright, I guess it is limited edition because of the color bottle that it's in, I guess. But like I said, I like it, I use it, so I'm good with it. Well, alright, that is it with this advent calendar. Oh, I really do like this year's, and there are a lot of nice products in here. Granted, there are some that I won't use, like the mascara or the brow pencil, because that's going to be too light. Maybe the lipstick, because I'm not a big fan of liquid lipsticks, because they are a little bit drying on my lips. But all in all, I am loving this year's Lookfantastic Advent Calendar, yes. And I like the cards that were in the drawers to give us a little bit more information about the product. And I honestly couldn't tell you if there was one with the Molten Brown. Maybe there was and it fell off and I just can't find it, but anywho, it's all good, but I really do like this year's advent calendar. I think it's a good price for what you get in here. I mean, you can keep all of it or you can kind of break it off and give them away as gifts for family members. But yeah, I'm really happy with this year's advent calendar. I know I keep saying that, but yeah, I really am. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Advent Calendar by Lookfantastic. I enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. And if you did, I hope you give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.